Go ahead. Yeah.
Rabbi, correct me if I'm wrong, but wouldn't this be considered though? Because it sounds just like you're saying. For the 7 Noahide laws, isn't that considered stealing and also lying?
Exactly.
So wouldn't that be death penalty for?
No. There is
punishment.
That's an amazing question. So so let me answer partially to this to your question. I'm going to think while I'm speaking. So in Jewish law, there is no punishment unless there is action. So in Jewish law, so for inaction, for example, like if we like they did something, but by inaction, so there is no punishment. So for example, if or indirect, if we killed somebody by starving this person, so we lock him in a room, not us, but if one person lock another person in a room and the other person died of the starvation, so there is no punishment by a Beis Din. If he kill him with a knife or like with some other like thing, yes, he's going to be found guilty. But here, no. What you're right, 100% is a stealing of the mind, and it's I always wanted to learn in one of the classes because I went through this book. It's from Rabbi Belsky Zatzal. He was one of the greatest rabbi here, like after Moshe Feinstein passed. He was in New York, and he's one of the head of OU or Orthodox Union. When you say when you see this kosher, where we buy kosher like food, like the most common is OU, is O circle and inside U it's OU. So he was the head of kashrus. So he's like very big chacham. Right, and he made he published it. It's not his one of his students. The person that I told you, he's the head of Kuf K, right? The Kashrus agency, the Rabbi. Forgot his name. So Kuf K. So he published the name like he just collected all of these things, and it calls they sell it in Judaica, calls living with honesty. And all of these examples that Jews, maybe talking about Jews, right? When still like in intellectual stealing. So this one is for sure intellectual stealing. So you present yourself as somebody that you are not. That's for sure. It's a stealing. There is no punishment, even if you are. I don't think even for a Noahide there is a punishment, but for sure it is stealing. So because other person think that you're somebody else. For sure, that's a good question. Yes. So I'm just thinking there is no death penalty for non-Jews. I don't think so. Okay, but good question. Good point. Okay.